Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to keyword tool for long-tail keyword discovery, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. Visit the keyword tool website. On the home page, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in your email address. Create a strong password for your account. Make sure your password meets the specified criteria. After entering your information, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message. Open the email and look for a confirmation link. Click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. Return to the Keyword Tool website. Log in using your newly created email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Pricing Plans section. Review the different subscription options available. Select the plan that best suits your needs. Enter your payment information on the Secure Payment page. Verify the details of your subscription before proceeding. After ensuring everything is correct, click on the Confirm Payment button. Wait for the confirmation message indicating your subscription is active. You can now access long-tail keyword discovery features. Navigate to the keyword search tool on your dashboard. Start entering your niche or topic to discover long-tail keywords. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.